Your phone can crash anytime, but your memories and important files do not have to disappear. Hello guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to share top 3 cloud storage service which you can use in 2026 and you can save your photos, videos or any important document you want to save it to the cloud because you never know when your phone or PC gets bad, so you can save it. So the very first one is the Google Drive. You get 15 GB free. It is very effective and you get 15 GB storage and you can use it in your mobile phone. You can use it in your PC. You just need to go to the google.com and then go to the app section and you will find the Google Drive. The next one is Dropbox. Again, it is very cost effective, though you only get 2 GB of storage, but when you upgrade, when you go into the premium section, you get a lot of space and it depends in your region how much is the cost for that storage. So Dropbox also you can choose it. It's a very old, very reliable online cloud storage and you can go for it. This is, I must recommend that. And the next one is my favorite one, which is Mega. Now it's a strong privacy focus, large free storage and end-to-end description. So it says privacy is not an option with Mega, it's a standard. You get 20 GB free and you can simply sign up and get the 20 GB. There are plans which you can go for, and if you do not want to upgrade, you can still use 20 GB free cloud storage. So you can try that. Do let me know in the comment section if you know other cloud storage which is better. I'll be glad if you do so, and do let me know, are you using these or not? I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.